We have leather here, and they're used across different industries. For example, shoes and bags for the apparel industry, automotive industry for car seats or motorbike seats. And then in furniture, leather is often used for upholstery, like couches, sofas, beds, chairs. Materials such as composites or textiles that are being used for tech wear, workwear, safety wear. And what makes these products special is that they need sewing patterns. The cutting patterns often have a lot of different details or need a lot of customization, especially in sizing. A good solution to cut these materials and patterns is often the cutting machine like the OSHIMA One Cut. It's easy to set up and allows a lot of customization. For example, we have 3 different blades that are easy to interchange. A rounded blade, a pointed blade, and a normal angle blade, plus a very easy to use software. Things are very easily done and customized. The One Cut like OSHIMA is also very suitable for small businesses, but it's literally like having your own 3D printer at home. For example, there is a company that makes customized furniture for its clients, and they have the option to choose between different materials, sizes, and colors. With the One Cut, all you need is the CAD software to put the design, edit the design the way you want it. Use a USB stick, put it into the machine, use the material you desire, and you can easily cut out the customized sewing pattern you need for your product.